Today, we can no longer take for granted some of the things we used to do to look after our physical and mental well-being. So today I have an appointment with a special coach. Well, he is a special coach, but he is one of my good friends, and I really need to work out a little bit, like really. And I've asked him if he is available to give me a private lesson. Am I lucky or not? And this is Arnaud. He is a talented photographer and also a friend of mine. Arnaud is going to take photos. I don't know if you're following me on Instagram. If you do, you know who Arnaud is, because I made some photo shooting with him last week. So we are all here together for some fun, because I'm going to vlog this fun episode. Are you with me? Well, I hope you are. Aside from my soul, it's been 2 years I haven't been doing much sport lately, so I had a kid, and then I had lots of excuses for not doing any sport. So I was thinking, now that we are all in lockdown and we have this beautiful place just for us, I was thinking, maybe you could help me out a bit.
Yes, of course, no problem. What we first do is a warming up, okay? In order not to break your bones.
Okay.
And it's very important before the training and after.
Okay.
So that's my philosophy, always warm up.
Okay.
It's very, very important.
So we just did a pre-warm-up, and now serious things are going to happen. To be honest, I'm a little bit tired, but well, hopefully tomorrow I'm not gonna have sore muscles. Hopefully. But it's fun. I'm having fun. And nothing's broken yet, so it should work out well. Can we put the gloves already?
Not yet.
Why?
Why? Because you have to protect your hand.
We need protective gloves before wearing the gloves.
Yes.
Okay.
Or protecting gloves or the straps.
Okay.
So you have to protect 3 parts of your hand. The wrist,
the knuckles,
this part of the
knuckles?
Yeah, the knuckles, and the thumb. Very important. Not to hurt yourself when you will hit at the bag or the palm. Okay, that's very important. Cadeau.
So it's easy to put on.
Yeah, you put it like this.
It's brand new.
It's brand new.
That's awesome. Can someone push record for me in the button of this camera, because I cannot pull them out? Too late. What's the position, the correct position?
Okay, you're left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay, so left foot is always on front. Yeah.
Okay.
The right foot is behind.
Okay.
What is very, very important is to have the guard in boxing. Okay, guard means you have to always be protected.
Okay, protect my face.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, right hand is like this, and the elbows have to be really
close to the
close
body.
to the body.
Okay, my
very
elbows.
important. Okay. Right hand here,
Okay.
close to
the chin.
chin, and the left hand is in the front.
Okay.
Okay. Your head has to be down. Very important. You don't present your head like this to
Otherwise,
to
someone
your-
can hit me
Okay.
in the face.
Okay. And when you move, it's always point des pieds
Or tiptoes.
on the tiptoes.
When
you
moving.
have to be mobile. Okay. Reactive. Very
Okay.
important.
Okay.
So when you hit,
Okay.
you have to come here
Okay.
and not here. Okay. Otherwise, you show your face to your
Okay. Opponent.
opponent.
Okay.
Okay. So when you hit, you come here
Come back.
You
Come
come
back to
back
protect my face. Okay.
to protect your face.
I hit and then I come back quickly to protect my face.
But you don't hit like this. You hit like this.
Like what?
Là.
Like quickly.
Very quickly.
And I
Okay.
hit with my body or I just hit with my arms? Do
Both.
I move my both?
Both.
Okay.
With your body and your arms.
Okay.
That's very important. And when you hit, but what is very important is also to breathe.
To breathe.
Breathe, but
So I
de
need to
expulser
breathe.
ton air.
To breathe and to exhale. Like Prodigy song.
Yeah, no, really, it's very
To
important.
exhale.
Okay. Yeah, that's very important. Super, elle le fait bien. Voilà. Okay, nice.
Ah, thank
Very nice. And what's very important is also to turn your hand at the end of the movement, like you did, and to come.
Okay, so just to make sure I understood everything, we have to keep the gloves close to your face, your chin, and the elbow really close to the body.
Okay.
And whenever you hit, you breathe and then exhale, like exhale when you hit. Exhale.
Yeah, very important.
Exhale. Exhale. Ah, okay.
Okay.
I get it.
And your head has always
Ni-
be down.
Okay.
Okay, that's very important. You don't present your head to your opponent.
Okay. Got it.
Right?
Yep.
Let's try.
Okay.
On the back. Okay. So we will first begin with what we call a jab.
Jab.
Jab, straight punch. Look at my arm. When I throw my jab, the shoulder protects my face also a bit. Okay, naturally. Okay, so you don't throw your jab like this, but like this.
Okay.
And don't forget to breathe, to exhale. And it has to be very fast. I mean, it's like a, comme je dis, un piston. It's very. Okay.
Okay.
Réussi. Donc te fais pas mal. Serre le poing.
D'accord.
Serre les poings quand tu frappes.
D'accord.
Okay. You start with one jab, just to try one. And when you jab is always with the left arm.
Ah, left.
Left, yes. A jab is left, cross is right.
Ah, okay.
Jab, cross.
Ooh.
Technique.
Now I know some technical vocabulary. So jab is left and cross is right. Okay, so I'm gonna do some jabs.
Souffle. Ah ouais.
What did I do wrong?
Living the days of the torture.
first to do boxing, like it's a very abrupt movement and you can break something, like your wrist.
You can. That's why we did the pre-warming up.
Okay, yeah.
Before starting, in order not to break your legs or your wrist, etc. Because it is very important that your muscles are warmed up. I give boxing lessons to different kinds of people. For example, I have fighters who come to me, so I learn how to box, to fight, etc. And I have also people who come to me to have a lesson, what I call box therapy. For example, you are a workaholic, you work a lot, and you are frustrated of your work. So what you come to me, to my classes, you hit the bags or you hit the pedal with me, and you will see that you will, after my lesson, you will feel better and you will feel good.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing warm-ups with Metin. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet for more reviews, tutorials, and sometimes, like today, vlogs. See you next week. Salut!